How to reset online banking password of China Bank. So if you want to reset or recover the online banking password of China Bank, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you just need simply go with your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for China Bank. After searching here, you will have the China Bank. So you need to just click on the chinabank.in, and after that it will take you to the website. Now, if you want to reset or recover, then you need to go with login, which is on the top right. This will take you to the login page from where you will be able to reset or recover. So now you need to enter your username or your password. But if you don't remember and if you want to reset, then you can go with forgot password, which is here on the bottom. So you need to just click on forgot password. After that, it will take you to forgot password request. And from here, you need to enter your user ID and your email address and then submit. Once your user ID and email address are correct, then it will take you to the following steps to reset or to recover your password. So that's how you can reset. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.